Hi, I'm Mary Seche, CEO of West County Health Centers, and I'm happy to share with you our capital campaign for new beginnings to build the new Russian River Health and Wellness Center. As a national leader for innovative patient-focused care, West County Health Centers provides much-needed comprehensive health care at 8 locations in western Sonoma County. We envision healthy communities building relationships and partnerships that support health and well-being for all people, and our purpose is to provide comprehensive, quality, and accessible health care to our communities. Founded in 1974, the Russian River Health Center has been the only primary medical care provider in the Russian River area. In 2016, we served 2,745 primary medical care patients, over 1,500 dental patients, and over 300 behavioral health patients. Our caring and cohesive teams are dedicated to wellness, compassion, affordability, and excellence of care. We ensure all members of the community receive non-judgmental and equal care.
Serving a 750 square mile rural area, West County Health Center's patients include children whose parents cannot otherwise afford needed medical care, isolated seniors, people living with HIV and AIDS, and individuals living with other chronic health conditions. 88% of our patients live on or less than $49,000 a year for a family of 4. We strongly believe that everyone deserves access to quality healthcare regardless of their financial circumstances. As the sole comprehensive care provider in western Sonoma County, Russian River Health Center offers specialized programs to our community. Driven by our rapid response to the ever-changing needs of our community, our HIV program, since 1982, has been successful in slowing the spread of HIV in at-risk groups in our community. By providing family planning services, preventative care, and a specialized comprehensive perinatal care program, West County Health Centers plays an important role in women's health. The Russian River Dental Clinic is the only accessible dental care for many community members. We are one of the only dental clinics serving patients diagnosed with HIV and AIDS in Sonoma County. Due to the high needs of our underserved population, only serve Medi-Cal and uninsured patients. Our integrated model of care incorporates behavioral health services, enabling patients to be cared for by both medical and behavioral health providers in collaboration.
After serving the community for 42 years, the Russian River Health Center suffered the profound effects of a devastating fire December 26, 2015. The fire resulted in a total loss of the main health center facility. In the aftermath, Russian River Health Center sustained significant immediate and long-lasting losses, including $2.4 million in hard costs and $700,000 in lost annual operating revenue.
Within 2 days immediately following the fire, we were serving patients in our sister health centers in Sebastopol or in mobile vans generously on loan from St. Joseph Healthcare and Sonoma Valley Community Health Center. Because of the considerable space constraints, our medical visits were reduced by 300 a month. After working in the mobile van for 9 months, Russian River Health Center started seeing medical patients in temporary modular buildings. Behavioral health and specialty HIV services had to be moved to another location due to the inadequate size of our temporary facilities. The current conditions present serious challenges to serving our community, and there is an urgent need to rebuild a new health center for the thousands of men, women, and children we serve in the river area.
The crisis created by the fire has given West County Health Centers an opportunity to build the health center of the future. The new Russian River Health and Wellness Center, a 14,000 square foot, 3-story building on First Street in Guerneville, will continue to be a place where community members receive high-quality health care in a friendly and personal setting. The 1.8-acre riverfront site was offered for sale exclusively to West County Health Centers by a long-time Russian River Health Center patient who felt a strong connection to his primary care provider and health center staff because of the long-lasting positive impact their care has had on his life. We plan on fully utilizing the natural setting to enhance our patient experience. The new site will include walking paths, river overlooks, gardens, and other park-like features. The lower elevations unsuitable for building will still be developed for use by patients and staff focusing on the natural surroundings. Within a few months of opening, patients and staff will have access to a demonstration vegetable garden promoting healthy habits, a meditation garden, and other outdoor healing spaces, an outdoor wellness classroom, and other meeting areas. To truly realize our integrative model of care, the Medical and Behavioral Health Suite will double the amount of space available for services, and the number of patients served will increase by almost 1,000. Our third floor plans include a community education and meeting room and dental suite. A new staff room will fully support our team-based care model. Medical assistants, nurses, medical and behavioral health providers working side by side rather than in separated rooms will improve communication and coordination, resulting in better patient care. Consolidation of our 4 Guerneville service locations into a single integrated wellness-focused site will provide an estimated cost savings of $250,000 per year. We have planned several patient decks and outdoor areas to increase access to the healing natural environment, encourage fresh air, and allow patients to step away from the busyness of the health center. Providing a relaxing space for our 70 healthcare and administrative employees is a priority. West County Health Center's employees will have a place to retreat from the naturally demanding environment of healthcare on several outdoor patios, meeting spaces, and decks. The new Russian River Health and Wellness Center is a multi-year project which started last year. By winter of 2016, building design and stakeholder meetings were taking place, and $900,000 had been raised. This year, we officially launched our capital campaign to raise $4.2 million towards the $10.5 million building cost. Building plans have been refined and will be submitted for review by end of June, with anticipated approvals, development of specifications, and bidding documents in October. In spring 2018, we expect approval of OSHPD and engineering plans, bidding, and negotiations with builders. A contract will be awarded and groundbreaking will begin in the spring. Completion of construction is expected 1 year later in 2019, with a grand opening celebration planned for summer. To fund this endeavor, we are procuring $5 million in long-term construction financing. We've received $1.2 million in insurance payments for the old building and are raising $4.2 million through individual donors, foundations, and businesses. We have thoughtfully budgeted for 5 main expenditures: $770,000 for land, site work, and permit fees, $8.5 million for construction costs, $600,000 for architecture and engineering fees, $100,000 for administration and legal fees, and $500,000 for furniture and equipment. As a community health center, we make an enormous impact and add value to our community by increasing access to health care, emphasizing prevention and wellness, providing cost-effective, high-quality care, and chronic illness management. The new Russian River Health and Wellness Center will continue to improve patient outcomes while reducing health disparities, despite serving high-need, at-risk patients. Our board of directors directly reflects the diversity of our communities in every way. They are from different economic backgrounds, geographic locations, and professions. As a federally qualified health center, West County Health Centers is consumer-driven and patient-advised, and we are required to have patients make up 51% of our board of directors. They are also business leaders and community members. Together, they have personally achieved 100% capital campaign participation and raised $67,000. A donor tribute wall acknowledging gifts starting at $2,500 will be located in a prominent location in the health center. We honor our donors with local tree levels, which embody many attributes that our community, patients, staff, and agency hold dear. As of May 2017, $1.5 million, or 35% of our $4.2 million capital campaign goal, has been raised or pledged. Many donors have set up multi-year payment on their single pledge spanning 2017 to 2019. As a contingency of our $5 million loan, we are required to possess signed pledge forms with signatures from each of our donors. Payment of pledges are not required at the time of pledging. West County Health Center's Board of Directors has authorized for the first time at any of our sites naming opportunities for the new Russian River Health and Wellness Center for gifts of over $100,000. So, we ask you to please join us in this endeavor and help build the new Russian River Health and Wellness Center, and to support the health center of the future for our community members who access the life-changing services provided by West County Health Centers every day. West County Health Centers is proud of its 43 years of serving our family, friends, and neighbors across hundreds of miles of diverse communities in western Sonoma County. We are even prouder to share our campaign to build the new Russian River Health and Wellness Center, and thank you wholeheartedly for your support.